Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to customize the Start menu on Windows 10. The Start menu is the central hub of your Windows 10 system, and by customizing it, you can make it more efficient and personalized to your needs. To start customizing your Start menu, right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Personalization and then Start. Here, you'll find a variety of options to customize your Start menu. You can choose to show more tiles by turning on the Show More Tiles option. This will allow you to fit more apps and shortcuts onto your Start menu. If you prefer a minimalist look, you can turn off the Show App List in Start menu option. This will remove the list of all your apps from the Start menu and only show the tiles you've pinned. You can also customize the color of your Start menu by going into Color. In the list for Choose Your Mode, select Custom. In the list for Choose Your Default Windows Mode, select Light or Dark. And now check this option. Here, you can choose from a variety of colors or select a custom color to match your preferences. Also, you can make your Start menu transparent only by enabling Transparency option. If you want to rearrange your tiles, simply click and drag them to your desired location. You can also resize the tiles by right-clicking on them and selecting Resize. Another great feature of the Start menu is the ability to create groups of tiles. To do this, simply click and drag a tile over another tile. This will create a new group, which you can name and customize as you see fit. Finally, you can customize which folders appear on your Start menu by clicking on the Choose Which Folders Appear on Start option. Here, you can turn on or off various options such as File Explorer, Settings, and Downloads. I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.